Namaste children, Namaste to all. I hope that you are all fine at home. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is animal life. Unit 2, animal life. In this topic we are going to learn the different habitats of different animals. Different habitat of different animals and different food items of that animals இல்லையா சில animals வந்து only they will eat plants, சில animals வந்து both fleshையும் plants-ஐயும் சாப்பிடும் இல்லையா சில animals flesh மட்டும் சாப்பிடுற animals இருக்கு like that we are going to see in this unit and we are going to identify the animals of their surroundings and the mouth parts of birds and insects. And realize the importance of food chain and food web in the environment. Okay, these are all the things we are going to learn in this unit. Okay, now in your book page number 71, you see one picture is given in your book, isn't it? Here, identify and write the names of the animals by using the keywords given. You have to identify and write the names of the animals by using the keywords given. Here snail is given, here parrot, here crocodile, here dragonfly, here tiger, here fish. For each animal you have to know. Papa snail எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா does it have wings? Snail wings இருக்கா? No. இல்லையா? So does அடுத்த क्वेश्चन கேட்கலாம். Does it have fur? snailக்கு fur இருக்கா? furனா என்ன? முடி இல்ல. No. Then does it have shell? அதுக்கு shell இருக்கா? Yes, it have cell. Then it அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒன்று. Then next parrot does it have feathers? Yes, it have feathers. Then crocodile does it have feathers? No. Then does it have wings? No. Does it have fur? Yes, it have fur. Then no, it doesn't have fur. Then does it have shell? No. Then does it have fins? No, like that. Then dragonfly பாருங்க, does it have wings? அந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு அனிமலுக்கும் you should know. தெரியுதா? You should know what is given here. ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினா நீயாவே அரைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு you should know the answer for each and every animal given here. Okay, in this page number 71. Now in page number 72. Now animals in different environment. Animals in different environment. Now our earth provides place to live for lack of plants and animals, isn't it? Earth provides place to live for lack of plants and animals. நிறைய லட்சக்கணக்கான plants, லட்சக்கணக்கான animals வாழ்றதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம earth வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது? It provides living place, isn't it? Then the living place of animals or a plant is called habitat. Living place of a plant or an animal is called habitat. Okay, habitat. Habitat. Habitat means living place. Habitat means living place. Habitat means living place. Now the basic needs such as food, water and shelter to breed are found in a habitat. Okay, food கிடைக்கணும், water கிடைக்கணும், then placeum கிடைக்கணும். தெரியுதா? Then next one, habitat can be as big as a forest. Habitat can be as big as a forest or as small as a leaf. இல்லையா? As small as a leaf. Habitat அதாவது அந்த வாழ்ற இடம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஃபாரஸ்ட் மாதிரி பெருசாகவும் இருக்கலாம், இலை மாதிரி சின்னதாகவும் இருக்கலாம். Okay, based on their habitat. Now, animals live in different conditions. For example, whales live in sea. இல்லையா? sea water, கடல்ல வாழ்றது இல்லையா? whales. Then, and foxes live in the forest. Foxes live in the forest. Then, now we are going to see land habitat. Land habitat. L-A-N-D, land. H-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat. Land habitat. இதை வந்து this we call it as terrestrial habitat. Land habitat அதாவது நிலத்துல வாழுது இல்லையா, அதை வந்து நம்ம இன்னொரு நேம் இருக்குது என்ன அப்படின்னா terrestrial habitat. T-E-R-R-E-S-T-R-I-A-L, terrestrial. Okay, T-E-R-R-E-S-T-R-I-A-L, terrestrial habitat. இப்போ land habitat terrestrial habitat னு சொல்றோம். தெரியுதா? Now, animals that live on land, நிலத்துல வாழ்ற animals தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்? terrestrial habitat அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். For example, ant, cats, dog, cows, etc. இல்லையா? hen இதெல்லாம் land habitat animals. Okay, now இப்போ அந்த land habitat animals can be divided into two. அதாவது பிளெயின்ஸ்ல வாழ்றது, அதாவது சமவெளிகள்ல வாழ்றது. தெரியுதா? Then forest, plains, forest. Plains, P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. Then forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Plains, forest. Plains na சமவெளிகள்ல வாழ்றது. Then forest na it will be like anything இல்லையா? அங்க here the picture is given for forestல நிறைய மரம் இருக்கும், பாறைகள்லாம் இருக்கும், தென் ஓடை, ஆறு, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே இருக்கும், மேடு பள்ளமா இருக்கும். தெரியுதா? ஸோ லிசன், பிளெயின் பாருங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிக்சர்ல பாருங்க, யூ see in your book page number 72, plain. Plains are the habitat of animals such as rat, cow, camel, hen, etc. Then here, forests are the habitat of animals such as deer, fox, bear, bison, etc. Okay. Now, in book page number 73, now you see water habitat. Water habitat. W-A-T-E-R, water. H-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat. Water habitat அப்படின்னா வாட்டர்ல வாழக்கூடிய அனிமல்ஸ், தண்ணியில வாழக்கூடிய அனிமல்ஸ். அதையும் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா அக்வாட்டிக் ஹேபிட்டட். அக்வாட்டிக் ஹேபிட்டட், AQUATIC, அக்வாட்டிக். AQUATIC, அக்வாட்டிக். இப்போ லேண்ட் ஹேபிட்டட்டை டெரஸ்ட்ரியல் ஹேபிட்டட்னு சொல்லுவோம், வாட்டர் ஹேபிட்டட்டை அக்வாட்டிக் ஹேபிட்டட்னு சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ லேண்ட் ஹேபிட்டட்ல it will be divided into two, that is plains and forest. Plainsனா சமவெளிகள், then forestனா it may be some ups and downs like that the rocks, then some of the land will be in height, in high, and some of the land will be in low, like that. Then here you see the picture. Water habitat is divided into two types, that is fresh water and marine water. இதுலயும் பாருங்க, fresh water and marine water. Fresh water, fresh water na என்ன அப்படின்னா ponds, lakes, river, இதெல்லாம் fresh water. Then marine water na sea and ocean. Sea and ocean da marine water nu solluvom. Ipo fresh water la vaadra animals, listen, you see the first picture. Pond, lake, river, pond, lake and river are freshwater habitats. Many animals such as tortoise, mussel, fish and crab live here. Okay, then sea water. Seas and oceans are saltwater habitats. They inhabit animals such as shark, jellyfish, sea snakes, starfish, etc. These are the animals that live in the water, marine, that is seas and ocean. These are the animals that live in fresh water, that is ponds, lakes, river. Okay. Then one more thing, do you know, is given here, World Animal Day is observed on 4th October. World Animal Day is observed on 4th October. You should keep it in your mind. World Animal Day is observed on 4th October. Okay. Now you take book page number 74. Book page number 74. You should link the animals that live in water and live on land. Land la vaaldra animals, then water la vaalakudiya animals. You should link na enna pannum appadina, you should match that one. You should match that one. Here pictures are given and the animals name also given, isn't it? You should match that one. Now you see your book. You see your book. Here this picture live in water, here live on land. You should match pig. Pig is a land animal, so you should put like this. Then monkey is also land animal. Then crab is a water animal. Then mussel also water animal. Deer is a land animal. Then camel also land animal. Starfish water animal. Horse is land animal. Then dog is a land animal. Seahorse is a water animal. Whale is a water animal. Then lion is a land animal. Elephant is a land animal. Frog is a water animal. Tiger is a land animal. And cow is a land animal. Like this you should link. Okay. Then page number 75. Now page number 75. Book page number 75. In the listen, one tabular column is given there. There is a zoo near your town. Due to some reasons, they have to take the animals back to their habitat. Due to some reasons, they have to take the animals back to their habitat. Where will they take each of the following animals? Animals' names are given in the bracket. You should write them in the correct column that the animals will be taken. For plains, forest and ponds, 3 columns were given. Plains, forest, then ponds. In this column, you have to write the animal's name. First we shall think about tiger. Tiger lives in forest. So, you write here tiger, T-I-G-E-R, in forest column. Then crab. Crab lives in ponds. So, you write C-R-A-B, crab. Then turkey. Turkey also live in ponds. Then giraffe, forest. Then cat, plains. Fish, ponds. Then bear, forest. Donkey, plains. Then camel, plains. Crow, plains. Then zebra, forest. Then duck ponds. Then elephant, forest. Tortoise, then pig, plains. Then peacock, plains. Then lion, forest. Like this you have to write. Okay. You have to write in this column. Then next one, circle the odd one based on the habitat. Circle the odd one based on the habitat. Let us find அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா? Let us find. Let us find the, listen, A, circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. அதில் பாருங்க, first one. First one. Lion, elephant, monkey, whale. Lion, elephant and monkey are land animals. இல்லையா? Whale is a water animal. So you have to circle that whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale வந்து circle பண்ணிக்கோ. Then B question பாருங்க. Shark, dog, jellyfish, starfish. Shark, jellyfish, starfish இதெல்லாம் water animals. Then you should circle that dog, D-O-G, dog. Understand? Then write the names of the animals with the help of the clues given. Write the names of the animals with the help of the clues given. Parna. First one, number 1, it has 8 arms, it lives in the ocean. 8 arms இருக்கக்கூடிய animals என்னது? Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Okay. Then Dash cannot fly, but it swims very well. What is that? Penguin. Picture is given there. So, with the help of that, you can write penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Then, Dash is the largest animal in the sea. Which is the largest animal? Whale. Isn't it? W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Then, fourth one. Dash is a common water bird. Which is what is that? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. You write these answers in book page number 75. Okay. These answers you have to write. Circle the odd one is given there. You should circle. First question, you should circle whale. Then second question, dog. For this is octopus, this is penguin, and this is whale, and this is duck. You have to write. You see that words and write that one. Then next page number 76. Page number 76. Here color the animals that live in water. Color the animals that live in water. Here hen is a land animal, fish is a water animal. So you should color this one. You should color fish. இதுக்கு வந்து என்ன பண்ணோம்? நீ கலர் அடிக்கணும். பாரு இங்க டிக் போட்டுருக்கு இல்லையா? இதுக்கு வந்து நீ கலர் அடிக்கணும். Then here dove is given. It is a land animal. Here water animal. This one seahorse, isn't it? So you have to color this animal. Elephant is a land animal. Then cow is also land animal. Tortoise is a water animal. So here you should, for this also you should color. Then whale, for this also you should color. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. For these 4 pictures you have to color. The color may be your choice. It may be anything, but it should be nice. Okay. Then next one. Book page number 77. Book page number 77. More to know. More to know. Here, listen. One new word, that is arboreal animals. Just now you are hearing this word, isn't it? Arboreal animals. Arboreal animals, that is book page number 77. Book page number 77. Listen. Here, listen, you see that animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. மரத்துல வாழக்கூடிய அனிமல்ஸ் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னா arboreal animals. ARBOREAL, arboreal. ஓகே, arboreal animals. நமக்கு வந்து இப்போ மரத்தில் வாழக்கூடிய அனிமல்ஸ்னா நமக்கு ஈஸியாக என்ன ஞாபகத்துக்கு வரும்? monkeys இல்லையா? monkeys, squirrels இதெல்லாம் arboreal animals. Then next is aerial animals. Aerial animals. Aerial animals. AERIAL. 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 Aerial animals. For aerial animals that can fly most of the time in air, fly most of the time, are called aerial animals. For example, crow. For example, crow, dove, etc. Okay. Then next one is amphibious animals. AMPHIBIOUS. Amphibious animals. Amphibious animals அப்படினா that live in water and on land. Animals that need both land and water to live are called amphibious animals. Isn't it? Are called amphibious animals or amphibians. Or we can call them as amphibians. Okay, animals that need both land and water to live are called amphibians. Ipo listen, arboreal animals means the animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Then aerial animals, most of the time it will fly. That animals are called aerial animals. Then amphibious animals need land and water to live. Isn't it? For example, frog. Frog, toad, like that. Next step. Match the animals with their living place. Match the animals with their living place. You see here in your book, here 5 pictures, here 5 pictures are given. Here 5 names were given. Here you see penguin. Penguin lives in polar region. So you match this penguin with the polar region. Then porcupine lives in the forest. Then crocodile, fresh water. Camel, desert. The shark lives in salt water. Then here polar bear, polar region. Polar bear, polar region. Then this whale lives in salt water. Lion lives in forest. Then what is this? Eagle. Eagle lives in desert. Frog lives in fresh water. Like this you have to match. Okay, like this you have to match with the pencil in your book. Okay. Now we shall see page number 78. Page number 78. match these animals with their homes. Here you see, this is a den. So, den for lion. Then this is a nest for birds. Then this pond or river, this fish. Then here it is a web, spider. Then for earthworm, soil. Then for honeybees, honeycomb. Isn't it? So you should match like this. You should match like this. Okay. Then next one. Write the foods of the given animals using the following words. Okay. Here the words were given. Isn't it? Given in bracket. You have to write the correct food item for each animal. Okay. First one. Listen. Page number 78. Book page number 78. Book page number 78 la second division how do animals get their food? Write the foods of the given animals using the following words. How do animals get their food? Animals get their food from the plants and from plant eating animals. Now they depend on plants and plant eating animals, isn't it? So next one. Write the foods of the given animals using the following words. Isn't it? Carrot, deer, milk, grass, grains are given. Here, hen. Hen what a food is there? For hen, you should write grains. 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 Isn't it? Then, next one, cat. Cat drinks milk. So, milk. Milk. Then next one, goat. Goat was grass. 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 Then rabbit. Rabbit eats carrot. 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 Then next one, tiger. Tiger eats deer. Isn't it? Deer. 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 Like that, you have to write it in that dash given below for each animal. Okay. These are the correct answers. Okay. Then next one, think and share. Why should animals get food? Why should animals get food? எதுக்காக animals should get food அப்படினா because to live. இல்லையா? Animals get their food to live. அப்பதான் உயிர் வாழ முடியும். From where the animals get their food? They get their food from the plants and plant. Some of the animals depend on plant eating animals also. Okay, then the animals move in search of food also. Okay, the next one. Let us discuss the following and complete the sentences. This one. This is the homework given to you. That is page number 79 and page number 80. 79, 80 and you should color that picture also. That is book page number 76. Homework. Book page number 76. Then 79 and 80. 76, 79 and 80. You have to do. You have to write the answer. You have to write the answer. Per page number 76, you should color the water animals. Then page number 79, you should read that given lines and find out the correct answer and write page number 79. And in book page number 80, you should using different colors for each animal, you should find the food for each animal. For cat one color, honeybee one color, then rabbit one color, then squirrel one color, then tiger one color.